Hello guys, so let us now see how we can draw the side view, the auxiliary view and the development of the pyramid, truncated pyramid, truncated at inclined angle. So let us assume we are having a hypothetical equation of a pyramid, a right angle pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, with the base or the distance between the corner of the hexagon equal to 60, and the height of the pyramid is equal to, let's say, 80, something like that one. And also at the middle point you have the pyramid has been truncated or sectioned at inclined plane of angle 30 degrees. So as usual, you have to plan the space for drawing to leave a place for side view. I'm going to orient the cutting plane in this direction, so have to leave a space for side view. Somewhere here I have to draw the auxiliary view, and I will use this space for the development. So we start with the center as usual. So this is my center for the base. And the vertical line. For the center, and then I can draw my circle, construction circle, to inscribe inside that circle my hexagon prism. The hexagon prism has 8 sides, that is 45 degrees subtending angle. So I can use my 45 degrees, this one, ruler, to locate the points where my circle is supposed to be. So in this direction, I mean my hexagon supposed to touch. So here and also here. And as you can see, this angle is 45, 45, 45, 45. Now I can just join this corner to have my hexagon. So this one and this one. This one and this one, this one and this one, this one in this corner, this corner and this corner, this corner and this corner, this corner, and this one. So this is my my hexagon, as you can see it, and I may decide to draw my front view somewhere starting from this point, going up this way. I can extend my line now for this one. So this is going to be my center line, but it coincides with this edge, so I just leave it very faint that way. Now I have to measure. We say we are going to put it 80 millimeters, the height of this pyramid. So starting from 1 to 90. So here, so this is the height of that pyramid, and we say we are going to section it at the center. So my center is 40. That is 10. 20, 30, 40, at 50, yeah. So that is the points. Just put a very small line so that I can know the location of those centers. Now I have to project those corners, the extreme corner to touch the base, the second corner from the top to touch the base. Of course, the center points, I don't want it to cloud it. This is my extension, my construction lines. The other corner and the extreme corners. Now, at the point when this extension line or construction line touches the base, you can draw lines, or you can deflect them to touch the apex. of the pyramid, so this way. Similarly from this corner to this apex, and this one of course to this corner, and from apex again to the other extreme corners. Of course you can label them as we label from initially A, so this is my B, and this is my C, D, E, F, G, and H. So this is my A, this is my H, D in brackets, this is my G and C in brackets, this is my F and D in brackets, while this is going to be. So I have completed the construction of that one. Now I have to introduce the cutting plane, 30 degrees from the center, orienting this way. I'm going to use my 30 degrees triangle ruler, so this way, passing through the center, and I can have my corner there. Now for clarity, I'll just finish up the front view. So this is my front view. Bolden those edges because they are supposed to be somehow bolder because they are visible. And this one is also visible. Similar to this corner, visible, and also this one is also visible. Now, to complete the top view, we have to draw the projection lines downward, or we can start by labeling also the inclined, the section D plane. So for the point number 1, along the, I can call this one O, my apex. So along the AO, I'm going to have point number 1, and then BO, I'm going to have my point number 2. And then CO, I'm going to have point number 3, and point along the line D, or I'm going to have my point number 4. Along the line OE, I'm going to have point number 5, and along FO, I'm going to have my point number 6. Here number 7, and also this one is number 8. Now to locate those points, what you can do, you can draw the projection lines from the point number 1 to locate the point number 1 on the top view. So this way. Now if I label this one O again, so this line is the line OA. Along this one, I'm going to have my point number 1, and this is 1. I'm going to locate, so this is point number 1. Similarly, you have to project it from point number 2 and number 4 and also number 5. So it's easy to locate the point number 5. So this is my point number 5 here, and this is number 1. So point number 2 is along the line OB and the line number 2. So this is my point number 2. Point number 3, I cannot locate it because the point of intersection actually is along the same. So I'll just leave for the time being. I'm going to show you how you can establish those points number 3 and number 7 soon. So number 4 is within B. From the point OD, number 4. So this is my number 4. Number 5 I have it. Number 6 is going to be here. Number 7 I skip for the time being, and this is number 8. Now to get the point number 7, you can draw the construction line until it touches one of the sides. So for example, in this case, this way. So the point, the distance from here to here is going to be the same from here to number 3 and number 7. I'm going to use my divider to measure that distance. The reason is actually if you truncated this one along this plane, you are going to have the same distance here and also on the other sides, other 4 sides. So this is my distance, measure from that one then to the center. So this is my point number 3, and below it I'm going to have my point number 7. So I have, this is my point number 3 and this is number 7. If you can remember, we are using a straight line to join those points for the pyramids, but if it was a cone, you have to join those points by using your free hand, and then you can use those French curves. And this one, so I join point number 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8, and 8 and 1. Now I have the profile for the top view, but again you have to join those edges because these are the proper edges of the pyramid. So this one is supposed to be thicker, and also this one. This is a proper corner, so they are supposed to have a flying type A. And this one. Again, I have to broaden the outer edges. To make it more visible. So this is how you can finish up the top view. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can draw the side view.